In today's show, breaking news, the world's richest man, Elon Musk, says Bitcoin is on the verge of seeing broader acceptance by finance. That's right, the CEO of Tesla said in a Clubhouse conversation this morning on February 1st, he shared the following: "I am late to the party, but I am a supporter of Bitcoin." And he continues, "I do think Bitcoin is a good thing. I'm a supporter of Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is on the verge of getting broad acceptance by conventional finance." And as Dan Tapiero points out, somehow it feels good that Elon Musk, a Bitcoin supporter, near my age, is the richest man in the world, was getting tired of Gates, Buffett, and Bezos, older guys in old tech or no tech and not Bitcoiners, with an iconoclast and a visionary as example. Maybe there is hope for Generation Z. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also checking out the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser. He tweeted, "Silver squeeze is the penultimate act of global insurrection against banker occupation before the Bitcoin uprising finale and global fiat crash. Remember, there is no limit to paper silver and naked short selling bankers will use against a rebellion. Bitcoin has no such problems, will emerge the ultimate winner." Touche. Also in today's show, I'm going to be sharing the 6 things to watch out for the Bitcoin price this week, including a $90,000 Bitcoin target set to hit between April and May. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the latest from Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model, which still shows us that the 288,000 price target is still on track. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin is in the green, Ethereum in the red, XRP is surging like a mofo, up 35%, and some say it's heading to $1. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, if interested in trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP, be sure to check out the Bybit exchange. They have a promo running right now where you can receive up to a $620 free Bitcoin trading bonus deposited directly into your Bitcoin wallet. To take advantage of this, be sure to use my referral link as well as the voucher code in the description right down below. And let's start stacking those sats, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to discuss, so let's dive right in, shall we? Bitcoin is on the verge of seeing broader acceptance, according to Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, who said it in a Clubhouse conversation this morning on February 1st. Clubhouse is an exclusive audio chat social media platform that is invite only. Members can join various conversations akin to an online private conference. As Dan Held points out right here, quoting Elon Musk, "I am late to the party, but I am a supporter of Bitcoin." Pretty sweet, right? So yes, Elon Musk publicly comments about Bitcoin during the conversation with Andressen Horowitz and other prominent investors. Musk was asked about his thoughts on the king of all crypto. And on January 29th, we all know, Musk put the word Bitcoin in his Twitter bio, causing the price of Bitcoin to rally by more than 14% in 30 minutes, which I covered in great detail right here in the show. And as you can see right here, the only word in his description is Bitcoin. This is a pretty big deal considering he has over 44 million followers and is one of the richest men on planet Earth. Just saying. Now check this out. After the occurrence, Bitcoin investors and enthusiasts were highly anticipating positive comments about crypto in general from Elon Musk. When asked about Bitcoin, Musk said, according to industry executives who were able to listen in, he shared the following: "I do think Bitcoin is a good thing. I'm a supporter of Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is on the verge of getting broad acceptance by conventional finance." So there you have it. Industry executives were generally positive about Musk's comment on Bitcoin. James Todar, a partner at Greymatter Capital, shared the following: "One of the most forward-thinking inventors of our age missed Bitcoin. On Clubhouse just now, Elon Musk tells a friend who gave him a cake in the shape of a Bitcoin back in 2013. Despite being late to the party, Elon thinks Bitcoin is on the verge of acceptance in finance." Then we have Dan Tapiero, a partner of 10T Holdings, who shared a similar sentiment. He said that the richest man in the world being a Bitcoin supporter feels good. Checking out his tweet right here. "Somehow it feels good that Elon Musk, a Bitcoin supporter, near my age is the richest man in the world, was getting tired of Gates, Buffett, and Bezos, older guys in old tech or no tech and not Bitcoiners, with an iconoclast and a visionary as example. Maybe there is hope for Generation Z." And then he got a response right here: "I can understand the argument about Gates somehow, but Bezos Bezos is anything but old tech, and Tapiero responded, yeah, I guess you can say that, but not a Bitcoiner. Seems more boomer than Generation X. Bugs me that Amazon's website is basically the same as I remember it in 1999. Needs a redesign after 20 years. Maybe pretty, but prefer the richest man in the world as an astronaut/visionary than cold capitalist. Touche. Then we have prominent Bitcoin investors such as billionaire Tim Draper, who have been asking Musk and his businesses such as Tesla to accept Bitcoin directly, which would give Bitcoin a massive boost and global awareness. That's right. So why did Bitcoin drop instead of surge? The price of Bitcoin pulled back by around 3% immediately after Musk commented about the dominant cryptocurrency. There's two reasons why the price of Bitcoin might have dropped after Elon talked about BTC. First, some may have anticipated Musk to disclose his Bitcoin holdings, and second, the market might have reacted with a sell the news response as the minor pullback occurred merely minutes after Musk's comments were publicized. And also, the price of Bitcoin has been showing weaknesses since the Elon pump to $38,000 on Friday. Traders are now closely watching technical resistance at $34,500 as well as $35,000 that must be broken to avoid more downside in the short term. And before I break down the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser, as well as 6 things to watch out for the Bitcoin price this week, along with a $90,000 Bitcoin target for April/May, and the latest from Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model. Let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin down 4%, trading just above $32,100. We have Ethereum down 2%, trading just above $1,300. We have XRP breaking out like a mofo, surging 17% for today after surging about 50% just yesterday, now trading at about 58 cents. Some are saying XRP is going to pump to $1, as this is the talk on some of these Reddit groups. We have Chainlink in the blood red, down 10%, trading at $20.45, and Polkadot down 12%, trading just above $14.50. All right, now let's break down the latest from Max Kaiser, who tweeted, "Silver squeeze is the penultimate act of global insurrection against banker occupation before the Bitcoin uprising finale and global fiat crash. Remember, there is no limit to the paper silver and naked short-selling bankers will use against a rebellion. Bitcoin has no such problems, will emerge the ultimate winner." Touche, I couldn't agree more. And Max also says his short-term Bitcoin target is in play of $65,000, and he also predicts a $220,000 Bitcoin price by the end of this year. Let me know if you agree or disagree with his bullish price predictions. And before I break down our next story of the day, the 6 things to watch for the Bitcoin price this week. First, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at just above $1 trillion with $162 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance sitting at 62.3%. Now checking out the Bitcoin market cap at $637 billion. Now let's check out the top gainers within the top 100. We have Dogecoin up 40% for the day and up 352% for the week, now trading just below 4 cents, and it continues to pump. We have XRP up 131% for the week and 31% for the day, trading just above 63 cents. We have Flow up 26%, trading at $11.84, and Pancake Swap, whoa, that's a new one to me, up 24%, trading at $2.39. Now checking out the top losers within the top 100. We have Voyager token down 17% for the day, but still up 167% for the week, trading just above $2.50. We have ENJ down 7%, trading just below 32 cents. Elron down 7%, trading at $61.45, and Ren down 6%, trading at 60 cents. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on right now? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 77 in extreme greed. Yesterday was a 78 in extreme greed, last week a 74 in greed, and last month a 94 in extreme greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? Bitcoin starts a new week with 30,000 intact and a message of support from the world's richest man, which I just broke down for you a little earlier here in the show. Now next, we have stocks wary of Reddit raiders. Equities began Monday with volatile behavior after seeing their worst performance since October of last year. And what is likely to become a continued narrative, markets are still feeling the impact of retail investors' revolt, which turned sour after regulators and trading platforms stepped in to stop them from participating. This is unprecedented what we're witnessing right here in the market as well. While involving United States companies, the knock-on effects have been felt around the global economy, with Asia likewise seeing pressure before a Monday rebound. Nonetheless, a repeat of last week's mayhem could weaken an already shaky stock environment, analysts warn. That's right, and the timing of the retail move could hardly have been more apt, coming as many stock indexes see all-time highs, despite restrictions on daily life and economic activity increasing across the U.S. and Western world due to the coronavirus pandemic. Now, a separate thorn in the side of the U.S. policy comes in the form of continued disagreement over the size of a fresh economic stimulus package. New President Joe Biden's $1.9 trillion plans have been challenged, and Republicans are instead offering a package worth $600 billion, which is almost 70% less. Now, the next factor to keep your eyes out on for the Bitcoin price this week is Saifedean Ammous warns over Ishcoin silver. That's right, with the global consciousness waking up to the disparities between how those restrictions affect the rich and the poor, investors' appetite for a wake-up call seems a little dented despite warnings from authorities. This time, however, it seems not more stocks are on their radar, but precious metal silver. In Monday trading, silver hit its highest level since 2012 at nearly $29 per ounce. Gains have been brisk, with 15% added in the past 4 days alone since the retail stocks frenzy took a turn for the worse, as pointed out right here by Holger. He tweeted, "Silver soars past $30 a troy ounce as Reddit fuel buying frenzy continues for the third day. Hashtag silver squeeze." And unsurprisingly, the phenomenon has been accompanied by a slew of calls for those investors to abandon relatively lackluster silver and instead pile it into the king of all crypto. Checking out this tweet from Saifedean Ammous right here. Reminder, silver is a ish coin. Its stock to flow ratio is around 3. Whatever happens in the paper market doesn't matter, because it's very easy to mine and recycle tons and tons of silver and bring it on the market, crashing the price. Pumping silver is a losing game, and he was responding to Peter Brandt's tweet right here. This is a monthly closing price chart of silver that might get you excited. Wall Street bets the target is $102 on the arithmetic scale. Pump it. I love to see Generation XYZ taking it to my fellow boomers. So Ammous was referencing the widely acclaimed stock to flow method of analyzing the scarcity of an asset based on how much is added to the existing supply in a given period. Now, the same model delivers the verdict that Bitcoin is the hardest of all monies to ever exist, thanks to its fixed diminishing emission. That, my friend, is a fact. Nonetheless, some saw the potential if the same group of retail investors were to buy up silver en masse. For veteran trader Peter Brandt, a possible target is $102, which is 250% from the current levels. Let me know if you feel if silver is likely to hit that $102 target. Drop me a comment right down below. Now, we also discussed a little earlier in the show, Elon Musk says, "I'm late to the party," referencing Bitcoin. I knew it. When he updated his Twitter bio, some of you said, he's just trolling Bitcoin. He does that all the time. No, if he put it in his bio, there's a significant reason why. And now we know for a fact that it's true, and he is a supporter of Bitcoin. Pretty powerful, right? Now, also, the next factor to be on the lookout for this week, huge withdrawals leave exchanges. While it remains unknown whether Elon Musk has bought Bitcoin or whether he plans to do so in a personal or corporate capacity, outflows from exchanges continue to signal big players are buying for the long term and hodling. That's right, so don't sell your Bitcoin with your weak hands to these major institutions. As noted by Danny Scott, the CEO of the United Kingdom-based exchange Coin Corner and others, a single recent movement out of major exchange Coinbase alone was worth $500 million. Are we about to kick off February with another institute buying? He quizzed on Monday. As you can see right here, a large amount of Bitcoin just left Coinbase, large amounts leaving nearly all exchanges, really, which is definitely a bullish indicator. All right, and before I finish breaking down these things to keep your eyes out on for the Bitcoin price this week, including altcoins overshadowed by XRP, as well as Doge, and I break down this $90,000 Bitcoin target for April/May, as well as the latest from Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model. First, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 675 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also, some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter. To subscribe to this, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net or just click on this link in the description right down below to get notifications every day via email of what's going on in the market, as well as updates on when shows go live. Also, I have a blog for you to tap into, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News. Yes, and for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's finish breaking this down. Bitcoin may have to fight for prevalence, not with non-crypto investment options, but with altcoins in the coming days, as rumors spread that Reddit investors plan to target XRP this week, which it looks like they're doing a pretty good job at, as it's continuing to pump. The fourth largest crypto began outperforming the major market cap tokens on Monday. 24-hour gains have hit almost 40%, marking a comeback for the embattled coin, which previously dipped as low as 16 cents from highs above 60 cents. Quoted from Michael Van de Poppe right here: "Today is the day we should see a massive pump on XRP. My guess, we'll see 95% of the people lose money on it," Cointelegraph Markets analyst Michael Van de Poppe forecasted on Twitter. As you can see on your screen right here, this shows the 1-hour candle chart for XRP/USD, and you can see it going parabolic. And last week saw a concerted effort to pump the price of meme-based altcoin Dogecoin, a trend which continues and increased even 37% here today. The pair is now almost at 4 cents, a transformation versus even days ago, and an easy all-time high. In his interview, Musk, who is responsible for previous lesser Doge pumps, chose his words carefully about altcoins in general. He shares, "I don't have a strong opinion on other cryptocurrencies. I mean, occasionally I make jokes about Dogecoin, but that was really just meant to be jokes," he said. "Dogecoin is made as a joke to make fun of cryptocurrencies, obviously, but fate loves irony. Touche." And the next factor to keep your eyes out on for the Bitcoin price this week is all eyes on 34,000 for the support to flip. Finally, technical analysis of Bitcoin produces clear levels, which need to be either reclaimed or avoided to determine market direction. As Bitcoin has been ranging for several weeks since hitting the $42,000 all-time high, commentators are still waiting to see if lower levels need to retest before the overall bull market can continue. For fellow Cointelegraph Markets analyst Phil Philb and others, 34,000 now forms an essential barrier to flip to support in order to secure the further upside. Quoting him right here, "Overall supply weighing down market until this subsides, sellers in control as seen by lower highs and lower lows. LTF shows some attempt to break this, but first 34,000 must be reclaimed," he summarized on Saturday. "Above 36,700, there is aggressive selling," he added, "while demand outpaces supply at $30,000 and below." And also, data from Binance's order book, which you can see right here on your screen, at this time shows incremental sell pressure from 34,000 all the way to record highs. So there you have it. Now checking out this $90,000 Bitcoin target tweeted by Bitcoin Archive, who wrote, "Bitcoin $90,000 target. Bitcoin is following the shape of the 2017 bull market, but much higher. If we continue along this path, $90,000 in April/May is the target. Rocket ship. Hashtag Bitcoin." So there you have it. This shows Bitcoin after the third halving, as you can see right here on your screen. Now let me know if you'd be stoked to see a $90,000 Bitcoin price here in the next 3 to 4 months. And if you feel that's attainable, drop me a comment right down below. Now checking out the latest tweet from Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model. He wrote, "Bitcoin January closed at $33,141. Phase 5 has started. We only know for sure when we have more data and run the cluster analysis, but for now, I mark December as the month where we transition to Phase 5. Note, stock to flow multiple drops to 0.1, $31,000/$288,000. 2021 will be spectacular. Touche." And if you're not familiar with the stock to flow X model, it predicts between a $100,000 and $288,000 Bitcoin price medium average between now and 2024. Let me know if you agree with the stock to flow. Holla at your boy. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. Elon Musk, the world's richest man, says Bitcoin is on the verge of seeing broader acceptance by finance. He also recently updated his Twitter bio to just reflect one word, the best word of all words, which is Bitcoin. And as Dan Held points out, he just recently shared on Clubhouse, "I am late to the party, but I am a supporter of Bitcoin." And he also shared, "I do think Bitcoin is a good thing. I'm a supporter of Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is on the verge of getting broad acceptance by conventional finance." And as Dan Tapiero points out, somehow it feels good that Elon Musk, a Bitcoin supporter near my age, is the richest man in the world. Was getting tired of Gates, Buffett, and Bezos those older guys in old tech or no tech and not Bitcoiners. And I also shared the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser, who wrote, #Silver Squeeze is the penultimate act of global insurrection against banker occupation before the Bitcoin uprising finale and global fiat crash. Remember, there is no limit to the paper silver and naked short selling bankers will use against a rebellion. Bitcoin has no such problems, will emerge the ultimate winner. That, my friend, is a fact. In today's show, I also shared the 6 things to watch out for the Bitcoin price this week, as well as a $90,000 target for April/May, and as well as the latest from Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick before I go, if interested in trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP, be sure to check out the Bybit exchange. They have a special promo going on right now where you can receive up to a $620 free Bitcoin trading bonus deposited directly into your Bitcoin wallet. To take advantage of this, use my referral link as well as the voucher code in the description right down below. Let's start stacking those sats, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.